Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making up this delicious chicken taco casserole made with a combination of black beans, chicken of course, sour cream, tomatoes, everything you can imagine. Let me walk you through this and let's get started. So to kick things off here, I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan, and this is over medium-high heat. Add in a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And I'm just going to saute these until they're fragrant. Next up, I'm going to add in 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cut into kind of bite-sized pieces. And I'm just going to fry these until they're a light brown. And I should mention too that you can use a ground chicken or pre-cooked chicken in this recipe too. After they're a light brown, I'm going to season this up with a pouch, or about 35 grams, a couple of tablespoons or so of taco seasoning. Of course, some salt, just to bring out those flavors. Ground black pepper. And you know me, I'm a pepper lover, so I'm going to add lots of this. As always, give it a stir around. This smells so good. Alright, now what we're going to do is add in a can of diced tomatoes, and these are undrained of course. It's about 250 grams of tomatoes and 200 grams of black beans. And we're just going to let this cook and bring it to a boil. By the way, I've drained and rinsed the black beans. Should mention that. It's corny joke time. Why can't you trust tacos? They keep spilling the beans. Okay, now we've reached a nice boil. I'm going to kill the heat. Oh, look at this, guys. Doesn't this look incredible? Wow. Now in my casserole dish, I'm going to crunch up some of my favorite taco chips into the bottom. Oops. So you want a good layer in the bottom. Then I'm going to put a layer of our delicious mixture over the top. You know, I wish we could have a smell-o-vision. This smells incredibly delicious. Some people do this with ground beef, but you know, I like the chicken because I find it healthier. A good layer of sour cream. Let's kind of spread this out. I don't know about you guys, but I just love sour cream. Last but not least, some Tex-Mex. Or you can use, you know, your favorite cheese or the cheese of your choice. I just like the Tex-Mex. It's rich, it's delicious. Doesn't this look gorgeous? I should mention too that you can make this ahead of time, put it in the fridge, and then if you're going to have guests over or something like that, put it in the oven, 25-30 minutes, you're good to go. Alright, I'm going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius, preheated oven for, I'd say, 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, this looks incredible and smells so delicious. I'm going to garnish it up with some green onions. Wow. And there you have it, guys, our chicken taco casserole. Incredibly sensational. Okay, let's plate this up. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, we're going to give this a taste test. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so good. It's rich, creamy, all the ingredients. Chicken is beautifully done. You got to try this. I'm going to eat more. It's so good. I love the beans too and the tomatoes. For all the details on this dish, head on over to cookandshare.com. Tons of great recipes over there. You're going to love them. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.